you. Reach the moment we were all waiting for. The warriors today have finally completed the 21-kilometer run and are here back with us for this special moment. As rightly announced, the heroes of the 21-kilometer run. To means the third prize, the award goes to bib number 2478, Kristarjun Pathu. The second prize goes to bib number 2127, Arjun Tudu. Mr. Arjun Tudu. And finally, the star of the 21-kilometer main category is bib number 2461, Hemant Kumar. A huge round of applause, guys. The third prize, the award goes to bib number 2458. Moni. I request Miss Rika Moni, bib number 2458. Prize goes to bib number 2456, Songmo P. I request Miss Songmo P, bib number 2456, to come up on the stage. And finally, the star of the 21-kilometer female category is bib number 2128, Shampa Gaini. I request in 4 hours. Yes, you heard that. that ride. He is Mr. Vinod Patgiri, a true legend and an inspiration to every generation, proving that age is just a number when passion leads the way. A huge round of applause. Marathon. As the saying goes, of all the challenging category, the third prize goes to bid number 6491, Balasedar Pathav. The second prize goes to bid number 7514, Champa Gain. Come on guys, she also participated in 21-kilometer marathon.
What was your experience?
Of the 6-kilometer female category is bid number 6912, Suchi T. The third prize, the award goes to bid number 7457, Monas Bongrum. The second prize goes to bid number 7087, Daniel Gurnam. And finally, the star of the 6-kilometer main category is bid number 7047, Panjanam Bera. A huge round of applause, guys.
प्रेजेंट लगाते आते थे और उसने दे नहीं पाया मैं तो सपोर्ट